Hey there, need a boost? I've got just the thing. Today's powerful quote comes straight from the book of Genesis. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. This simple yet profound statement reminds us that even the grandest things start from a blank slate. No matter where you are in life, you hold the power to create something magnificent. Just like the vast universe began with a single spark, your journey towards greatness can start today. So take a deep breath, find your inner strength, and remember, you have the power to shape your own world. Let this be your daily inspiration. Go out there and create something amazing. And don't forget, you're never alone on this journey. Stay inspired, stay motivated. Until next time.
Why do 80% of people underestimate their own potential? It's time to change that. Listen up. In Exodus 14:14 it says, "The Lord will fight for you, you need only to be still." Think about that. In the chaos of life, sometimes the most powerful move is to stand firm and trust. You are not alone in your battles. Embrace this truth and let it fuel your strength. You've got this. Unleash your inner power today.
Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're diving into a Lego epic. The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. That's Exodus 14:14, y'all. Remember, even Lego figures know. Sometimes you just gotta stand tall and have faith. So, next time you're feeling overwhelmed, trust that the universe has your back. Stay still, stay strong, and let the Lord do his work. You've got this.
Seeking a bit of divine inspiration, let's dive into the book of Ruth. In the book of Ruth, chapter 1, verse 16, it says, "Where you go, I will go, and where you stay, I will stay. Your people will be my people, and your God, my God." These words spoken by Ruth are a testament to unwavering loyalty and deep commitment. They remind us that true devotion transcends all boundaries. So whenever you feel lost or alone, remember Ruth's pledge. It's a beacon of hope and dedication that can light our own paths. Hold on to this wisdom. Let it inspire you to be loyal, committed, and fearless in your journey. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and remember, where you go, I will go. If you don't feel strong but still need courage, then stick around. In the book of Judges, chapter 6, verse 12, an angel of the Lord appeared to Gideon and said, "The Lord is with you, mighty warrior." Imagine hearing those words in your darkest hour. When you're feeling small, remember that you have a divine strength within you. This quote isn't just a historical moment, it's a timeless reminder. Every challenge you face, every obstacle in your path, you are not alone. The Lord is with you. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, recall these words. Let them fuel your spirit, guide your steps, and lift your heart. The Lord sees the warrior in you, even when you can't. Hold on to that truth and face your battles with unwavering faith. Remember, the Lord is with you, mighty warrior. Stay strong, stay inspired, and keep believing. Need a boost? Let Joshua's words lift you up. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. Whenever you face challenges, remember, you are never alone. Strength and courage are within you. Keep pushing forward. You've got this. Stay inspired. Stay strong.
Feeling a bit down? Let's lift you up with some wisdom. Here's a powerful quote from Deuteronomy. "Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them. For the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you." Wow, right? No matter what you're facing, remember that you've got this. You're never alone. Keep pushing forward, stay strong, and believe in yourself. Take this message with you today, and let it fill you with hope and courage. You've got the strength within you. Keep shining. Keep